Reporting a lost debit card is a crucial step to prevent unauthorized transactions and protect your financial information. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to report a lost debit card. First, contact your bank's customer service department immediately. You can find the phone number on the back of your debit card, on the bank's website, or on your bank statement. Be prepared to provide your account number and other identifying information to verify your identity. When you call, inform the customer service representative that your debit card is lost or stolen. They will ask you a series of questions to confirm your identity and the status of your account. Answer these questions accurately and to the best of your ability. Next, the customer service representative will guide you through the process of reporting your lost debit card. They will likely ask you to confirm the last transaction you made with the card and if you have any idea where the card may have been lost or stolen. Be honest and provide as much information as possible to help the bank investigate the situation. Once your debit card is reported lost or stolen, the bank will immediately cancel the card and prevent any further transactions from being made. You will then be issued a new debit card with a new card number and expiration date. This new card will be mailed to you and you should receive it within a few business days. In addition to reporting your lost debit card to your bank, you should also monitor your account activity closely. Check your account statement regularly to ensure there are no unauthorized transactions. If you notice any suspicious activity, contact your bank immediately. It is also a good idea to keep a record of your debit card information, including the card number and expiration date, in a safe and secure place. This will make it easier to report a lost or stolen card in the future. Finally, consider setting up account alerts with your bank to notify you of any large or unusual transactions. This can help you stay on top of your account activity and prevent unauthorized transactions from occurring in the future. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can protect your financial information and prevent unauthorized transactions from occurring. Remember to always act quickly if your debit card is lost or stolen, and to stay vigilant in monitoring your account activity.